What's up guys, Custom Swing 1 today with another video. Today's a different video from what we usually do. What I'm doing today is something that I thought I would do for you guys because not all of you have the paints and supplies that I'm using to do all of my customs. So today I'm doing just a Sharpie custom. So I'm just using Sharpies to do the shoe because most of you guys have those at home. So I thought I would do that because it's a lot easier for you guys. So today we're going to be using blue, black, green, yellow, and this sort of tealer color. So let's get into it. This is the end result of the custom. Very good. I really like how it turned out. It was a very, very simple, inexpensive custom. Just used these Sharpies that I picked up from my drawer in my desk. Just used one of my pairs of shoes. So this was basically $0 for me because this was one of my pairs of shoes that I had already bought, and Sharpies that I just got from my desk, which these both cost me money, but I already had them. You can get a pack of like all the colored Sharpies for like $2 at Staples or Walmart, so that's really inexpensive. And you can use whatever shoe you want. You can use an old used shoe, you can buy a brand new shoe, you can do whatever you want. But yeah, it was very simple, very easy. I love the product. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion.